Hello students, welcome to your class. This is your English class. Today in this class we will learn the short sounds of vowel E that pronounces A. Words. In the live class we have learned the words. Here we will learn the words again. So see here, first E-D, ed. E-D pronounced as ed. So how you will pronounce the word? B-ed, bed. B-ed, bed. You can pronounce by the letter name also, B-E-D, bed. After that, ed, red. Ed, red. You can pronounce by the letter name R-E-D, red. Next, ed, fed. Ed, fed, or F-E-D, fed. W-E-D, wed, or V-ed, wed. V-ed, wed. Next, here E-W pronounced as U. E-W pronounced as U. F-U, few. F-U, few. D-U, dew, or D-E-W, dew. M-U, mew. M-U, mew. N-U, new. N-U, new, or N-U, new. You can pronounce like this also. N-E-W, new. Next, E-L-L pronounced as L. E-double-L pronounced as L. So B-E-L-L, bell, or B-L, bell. S-L, cell, or C-E-double-L, cell. D-L, del, or D-E-double-L, del. T-L, tell, or T-E-double-L, tell. Next, same word, E-double-L, so you can pronounce as well. W-E-double-L, well. V-L, well. H-L, hell, or H-E-double-L, hell. S-L, cell, or S-E-double-L, cell. F-L, fell. F-L, fell, or F-E-double-L, fell. Next, E-N-T, ent. This is ent, E-N-T, ent. So B-ent, bent. R-ent, rent. S-ent, scent. T-ent, tent. You can pronounce like R-E-N-T, rent. S-E-N-T, scent. T-E-N-T, tent. Which will be easier for you to remember, that one you will read. Parents, kindly help your child to pronounce the letter as follows. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.